Simplify rational trinomial only. Here is the problem. You need to simplify the expression completely. I'm going to do all my work here. So in order to simplify this expression, what you need to do is factor both the top and the bottom. Now both of these have no number in the front, so it's just a 1, so that makes it an easy factor problem. We're looking at that diamond. So on the top, we have A, B, and C. I'm going to factor the top of the fraction first. On the top of the diamond is A times C, so 1 times 14 is 14. And on the bottom of the diamond is B, so -9. So I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to 14 that add to -9. So I'm going to list out everything that I can multiply to 14 over here. 1 and 14, 2 and 9, and that's actually it. So in order for these to, sorry, it's not 2 and 9, 2 and 7 will multiply to 14. In order for these to multiply to a positive and add to a negative, both are going to be negative. So now I need to check which pair will add to -9. -1 plus -14 would give you -15, so that doesn't work. -2 plus -7 adds to -9, so that is the pair that we want. So I'm going to go back over here. Now the top can be rewritten in factored form, x minus 2, x minus 7. Now we need to factor the bottom as well. So I'm going to label A, B, and C again. Set up my diamond. The top is still A times C, so 1 times -8 is -8. And the bottom is B, so it's a +2. So I need everything that multiplies to -8 that would add to +2. So I could do 1 and 8. And I could either have, in order to multiply to a negative, only one of these numbers would be negative. So I could either have 1 and -8, or -1 and 8, and then 2 and 4. And again, either item in the pair could be negative. So which of these will add to a +2? -2 plus 4 gives you 2. So that's the pair that you're looking for. So now I can rewrite the bottom as x minus 2, x plus 4. Now that you have both factored, you can look to see what's common on top and bottom. We'll both have an x minus 2. So this factors to x minus 7. Oops, wrote the wrong number there. X minus 7 over x plus 4 is your final answer. And then we can go ahead and we would type that in to the Delta Math page. So to get the fraction, you're going to want to use the backspace key. So on the top, x minus 7. On the bottom, we're going to have x plus 4. Submit. And there you go. That's how you do the first skill.